My name is Khumbo, and I teach life science and comprehensive science, 6th grade. I'm from Malawi. I make sure that my students are given opportunity to talk in class. I find this space as an open space for everybody. Everyone has to be welcome. So I like to let students talk, share their opinions, and let others learn from them. Last year, when a student gives an answer, some students would like to laugh at that answer. I was so stern on that. I said, no one stops anyone from giving out an opinion. We all learn from each other. So don't allow anybody not to talk when they have to. So that way they feel safety that Mr. Nthara has our back. I don't allow bullying in my class. If I hear any form of bullying, it has to be reported to me, and I need to take action on that. It's very important to let students feel safe. It's more imperative as a teacher to allow students to be free, to talk their opinions, and knowing also that what they know, probably other kids they do not know. So this creates a community where they can learn from each other. I've introduced a reward system in my class where students have to be well behaved. So I call it behavior links. Every class, when they're coming, they have 4 points. Once they do not follow the rules, then that will affect the whole class. So usually when they're misbehaving or they're not getting my attention, I go towards where I put my points in the class. And I say, I'm removing a point. So it goes everywhere. So everyone says, Mr. Nthara is going to take a point. So every student is being held accountable for the rest of the class. And it's been very, very much rewarding because every student wants to be on task, doesn't want to spoil from other kids getting rewards. So it's working very well for me. Of course, sometimes students may go out of hand in class. I need to use strategies that I've learned from my administrators, also from watching Launch Your Classroom. Usually I use proximity just to go toward them if I see maybe they are talking. And when I clap twice, they also clap twice. That way they are all quiet and they get their attention to the teacher. Or I could just say, okay, let's talk. Let's just have a talk, and I push them back to the class. I have to reteach my expectations, remind them of what I expect from them, and encourage more positive behavior. Make sure you push in positive attitude to the students. Encourage them as much as you can. And that the students can be able to see it and implement them in their own life every day. Because that's what humanity is all about. That's what we are supposed to be as humans. Be nice to each other, be kind to each other, say good words to each other. So it should start from the classroom. So I make sure they are safe, they are welcome in my class, so that they can share their experiences. And I can learn from them as they're learning from me.